The next technology I want to share with everybody is actually Khan Academy. It's khanacademy.org, and on here it offers a lot of different math and science classes and courses that you can actually use. It's really easy. It's free. You just go in, create a account as soon as you go in, and if you look, you can create all your own classes. And something that I find really cool is you can add new students. You go in, you can invite your entire Google Classroom if you want to, or as you can see up here, we have a class code that you can share. This account's actually through my Fort Hays email, but it's really easy to create one through your own personal. If as long as you have Google, you can sync it right to your Google, and you can also make it to where you have certain classes that pop up a little bit, some of these courses that pop up and are more relevant as well. Being a biology teacher, I can come in here and look at all these and assign the different ones that I want to. So if I go through and let's look at something such as photosynthesis, we start off and I have them do intro to photosynthesis. What I like is you can see it has different levels, and so that is something that I find is really cool. Shows that they mastered it afterwards, and as you can see, all the different levels, they have to do so much in order to level up, and they have to go through all of these in order to take the test and take the quiz and move on from one step to the next. I find that this is going to be something really cool. I haven't really used it a whole lot yet, but some of the other teachers within my building actually have. And the reason why I think this is such a big one and so going to be so cool with and align with the fact that our principal really wants us to start differentiating our instruction, and I feel like this offers that opportunity. The students that are the students that are struggling, we can assign this so that way they can get that done. And on the flip side, the students that are farther ahead, they can go in here and learn more as well. And I think there's two ISTE standards that really stand out when looking through them about this. And the first one is 2E. Sharing with other educators our best practices. Some of the educators within my building here have told me that these are practices that are being used great, and this is a practice that they've used that has helped them out a lot. And as I use this and I get the opportunity to learn how well it works and all the different quirks about it, I can let other instructors and educators know about it as well. And the second one is 5C, being able to use technology to support both personal and professional growth. And we can go through these as educators ourselves and actually make sure that we are having a very solid understanding about the different things that we're teaching to our students as well. And I believe that that gives us the opportunity to be prepared for different questions that our students could actually ask us, so that way we are able to keep the conversation going. And I think it gives the students opportunities as well to dive deeper into these different units within our classes.